Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to discuss about converting scientific notation to standard notation. So these are the steps in converting or writing the scientific notation to standard notation. So first, look at the exponent and the factor of 10 to find the number of decimal places and the direction in which to move the decimal point. So, yun po yung una nating titingnan ha, kung ano yung exponent ni 10. So, if the exponent is positive, move the decimal point to the right. And if the exponent is negative, move the decimal point to the left. So, to understand it further, let's have an example. For example, we have 4.6 times 10 raised to 4. So, first, check the exponent and the factor 10 para malaman natin kung ilang number ng decimal places at kung saan ang direksyon ng pag-move ng decimal point. So, tandaan, if the exponent is positive, move the decimal point to the right. At kapag negative naman, ay mag-move tayo sa left. So, since 4 is positive o yung exponent natin ay positive 4, we move to the right from the decimal point. So, first, copy 4.6. Then, from the decimal point, count 4 places to the right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, as you can see, merong space. Nagkaroon ng movement pero wala namang number. So, we are going to add zeros to the missing place value. Therefore, the final answer is 46,000. Next example is 4.58167 times 10 raised to 8. As you can see, the exponent is positive. So, we move the decimal point to the right. So, copy again the first factor. Then, count 8 places to the right from the decimal point. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then, add zeros to the missing place value. So, the final answer is 458,167,000. Now, how about this one? The exponent is negative. So again, if the exponent is negative, we move to the left. So first, copy 1.32. Then, from the decimal point, move 7 places to the left. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then add zeros to the missing place value. And the decimal point is found in the stopping point. So, kung saan tumigil yung movement natin, doon magkakaroon ng decimal point. So, therefore, this will be our answer. Okay? Another one. So, again, the exponent is negative. So, we move the decimal point to the left. Now, copy the first factor. Then, move 9 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, add zeros to the missing place value. And don't forget to put the decimal point kung saan nag-stop. So, this will be our final answer. So, nag-move na yung decimal point. So, that's all for today. This will be our last topic for the first quarter. So, thank you for watching.